Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to find someone on Discord. So I'm going to show you two methods right here. First is you want to copy their ID. So like if you go to your DMs and right click on that person, as you can see you could copy the user ID. So if you want to have these features, you need to go to user settings, scroll down to see advanced here, and make sure that developer mode is turned on. Once you've turned on that feature can be available for you. So go back to your friend list. You could go to a server and find a friend there on the member list. For me, I'm gonna go here on my DMs, and if you want to add someone, right click on them and copy that user ID. Now what you'd want to do is go to this one. So there's the one, user lookup, and paste that ID there. Yeah, click on the user information. As you can see, that person is currently here, so it pop up right there. And if you want to like just search for them on your server list. So if, as you can see, there's a search bar on the top right here. Just search for that person. If you know the first name or their nickname or something. So as you can see, I searched for Chevy, and it popped up here. You could click on that particular person, or either you could go to the member list, switch into the server settings, scroll down on user management, go to members, and as you can see, so you could add them by going to their profile, and you should see a send friend request here if it's available, if they turned on their friend request on their settings. So it depends on that person. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.